Hello everybody and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Bunch of new people have joined recently, which is fantastic. Thank you all. And we're so close to the magical 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I highly suggest that you do. Anyway, today I've got the most exciting thing to show you. I've had a box from America from Jason, the owner of Junkyard Bat. And I don't know if you've been here a while, but if you have, you'll have seen my video I did in February 2022 when I first met Jason and I first became enamoured by all the wonderful jewels produced by Junkyard Bat. Now, he very generously got in touch with me again recently and said, would I like to have some more lovely things to share with you? And I, of course, said, yes, thank you very much. So he sent me a box, which I've opened the actual box because you don't want to sit around watching me open a box. Now, minor drama with it because the stupid delivery people delivered they tried to deliver it when I was out and they left a card upstairs in a different, through a different front door. So I didn't actually know it was there waiting for me to collect it at the post office until the day before they were due to send it back. So the lovely Mr. Jane ran all the way up to the post office, picked it up for me and brought it back. Anyway, I've got a note in here from Jason and I can barely tell you how exciting this news is. He's got a code for all the US people watching, all the people in the USA. You can save 25% on his website. 25%. I'm going to put a code on the screen which is Jane25 and you can save a quarter of the price of any of the things on his website. Now, if you're in this country, in the UK or elsewhere in the world, he does have an Etsy shop. So I will put all the details you're going to need for all those things in the description box. So, as usual, I will tell you that everything he does is made by hand, by him, from stainless steel. I mean, the stuff that he does is amazing. And while I'm getting it out, I'll show you some of the things on screen. I've just opened these up first. I haven't looked at the other things. I've just opened up these, what does he call them? DIY bags. And I will do close-ups of them, but they are little bags of all the things that he might have left over from when he's been making his wonderful jewellery. And you know me, I like to make a bit of DIY jewellery from time to time. So I've got a small bag and a not so small bag. And oh my goodness me, look at the size of this bag. I will put some close-ups in of me opening these so you can see exactly the sort of thing that you would get. So that's that. Very well packed, by the way, I must say. So what have we got? Let's have a look. It's all beautifully wrapped. I mean, he does rosary chains, he does earrings, necklaces. He does some limited edition things as well, like a light catcher. Oh my goodness. This is a necklace in purple. Oh my God, look at this. It's so beautiful. It's a cut crystal. Oh, like an amethyst purple on a chain with beautiful beads, amethyst beads. as I say, I will put close-ups in, do not fear. And the clasp is one of these lovely S-shaped clasps. So I'm going to put this on because why wouldn't I? And in here are also some earrings. Now, sharp-eyed viewers may have noticed that I have a different nose ring. I have an opal, and I also have new small earrings here, and here, and here, and here. They were all anniversary presents from Mr. Jane. And now I have these lovely coffin-shaped earrings with a purple stone in the centre of a cross. Oh, they are so lovely. I'm going to pop them through here so that you can see. Would you look at these? They're so gorgeous. Oh, 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 oh. It looks like a rosary chain. It's a beautiful cut crystal. Oh, this is the cut crystal necklace. Look at that. Oh, it just catches the light so wonderfully. And it just, oh, look at that. And again, the wonderful S-shaped clasp. Every single link of this beautiful beaded necklace has been made by hand by Jason, and it's come all the way from America, so no wonder it's, oh, look at that. I'm going to put that on as well. So that's wonderful. There is one remaining pouch in this box, and looking at the list, it says Batwing necklace. Now I know for a fact that the famous Angela Benedict has got one of these. And now so have I. Oh my God. I could barely open the bag. My hands are shaking. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. It's a bat. It's got a black gem at its heart, black bead links on the chain. I'm going to put this on because why wouldn't I? I'm just going to lay it round my neck so that you can see it. And is that not the most amazing thing? Right, paper away. I'm going to go away and shoot some close-ups of all these lovely things so that you can see them in more detail. I'm going to remind you about the DIY bags, and I'm going to say thank you to Jason. Thank you so much. All this stuff is just beyond gorgeous. Your skill and your imagination, it just never fails to amaze. And I think everybody will agree with me that they've never seen anyone make anything quite as beautiful as the things that you make. And your love of nature and crystals, as well as your love of Gothic style, really comes through in everything you make, Jason. And I think everybody, whether you're in America or not, rush over to either Etsy and search for Junkyard Bat, or go to www.junkyardbat.com. And if you can't treat yourself to one of Jason's lovely jewels, then maybe ask somebody to buy you something for your birthday, or start saving up to buy yourself something for Christmas, or whatever else it is that you celebrate. But I will say, I think I might make something from these lovely bags of jewels and charms, and when I hit 10,000 subscribers, there'll be a giveaway made out of something or everything in these bags. So the sooner we get to 10,000 subscribers, the sooner you could be winning something made of Jason's jewels. So I'll leave you with the close-ups, and I will see you next time. But everybody, let's not forget, stay